Hello all. Today we will discuss Exchange 2016 installation. The video will have the important technical details discussed in a quick and concise manner. Let's first have a look at Exchange 2016 editions and licenses. There are two Exchange 2016 editions. Standard Edition is limited to 5 mounted databases per server, and Enterprise Edition can have up to 100 mounted databases per server. Please note that a mounted database is an active database in use, or a passive database that's mounted in recovery. Recovery database isn't counted towards the limits. Please note that you cannot downgrade from Enterprise to Standard Edition without reinstalling Exchange 2016. Let's now discuss licenses. Server license needs to be assigned to each Exchange 2016 server as Standard Edition or Enterprise Edition. There are two client access licenses or CALs, Standard CAL and Enterprise CAL. You can mix and match server licenses with CAL licenses. Let's move to the Exchange 2016 prerequisites. First, we will discuss what is needed to install Exchange 2016 mailbox role on a Server 2016 machine. To install the Windows prerequisites, you need to run the command given on the screen in PowerShell. Then you need to install the followings in order: .NET Framework 4.7.2 or later, KB321, 3522, Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio 2012, Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio 2013, Unified Communications Managed API 4.0. To install Edge role on a Server 2016 machine, you need to install ADLDS, .NET Framework 4.7.2 or later, and Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio 2012. Let's now discuss what is needed to install Mailbox role on a Server 2012 or R2 machine. To install the Windows prerequisites, you need to run the command given on the screen in PowerShell. Then you need to install the followings in order: .NET Framework 4.7.2 or later, Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio 2012, Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio 2013, Unified Communications Managed API 4.0. To install Edge role on a Server 2012 or R2 machine, you need to install ADLDS, .NET Framework 4.7.2 or later, and Visual C++ redistributable package for Visual Studio 2012. Let's now talk about preparing AD and domains. To extend AD schema, you need to have schema admin and enterprise admin rights. The computer needs to be a member of the same domain and site as the schema master. You need to download the Exchange Setup ISO, mount it, and then run setup.exe with the Prepare Schema switch. Wait until AD replication is done to all DCs. Next step is to prepare AD, for which you need to have enterprise admin rights. The computer needs to be a member of the same domain and site as the schema master. It must be able to contact DCs for all domains in the forest on TCP port 389. Then you need to run setup.exe with the Prepare AD switch. If you have a hybrid deployment with Exchange Online, add the tenant organization config switch as well to the command. Then wait until AD replication is done to all DCs. Let's now see how to prepare AD domains. If you have only one domain, you can skip this step because previously run Prepare AD has already prepared the domain for you. All domains where Exchange servers will be installed or where mail-enabled users will be located need to be prepared. If you want, you can prepare all domains in the forest as well. To prepare all domains, you need to have enterprise admin rights. You need to run setup.exe with the Prepare All Domains switch. To prepare selected domains, you need to have domain admin rights in all of them. You need to run setup.exe with the Prepare Domain switch. How do we now verify the AD preparation? You can review the Exchange setup.log file. You can also use dsquery to verify the Exchange attributes given on the screen. Run dsquery and then compare with the values given on the screen. Once all is set, it's time to run the Exchange setup. First you download the latest Exchange 2016 CU and mount the ISO. Then run setup.exe as shown on the screen. Once Exchange is installed, there are a couple of post-installation tasks you should perform. You can use Exchange Management Shell to enter product key by running set-exchange server. Then restart the information store service. To verify Exchange server installation, in EMS run get-exchange server. It is a good idea to review application logs in Event Viewer. Finally, you can review the Exchange setup.log file. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel to get notified on future videos.